P.4, problem number 5. We are asked to simplify this expression and write the answer in standard form. So standard form of a polynomial is in descending order of the variable. So I'm just going to work the problem in descending order of the variable, and then the answer shows up that way. So the first thing we're going to do is look for like terms, and I'm going to start with our highest power term, which is x to the third. So I have a negative 8x to the third and a 7x to the third. So negative 8 plus 7. You can go to the calculator to help you if you have problems with the positives and the negatives. But negative 8 plus 7 is going to equal negative 1. And we keep the x to the third. When we add and subtract, the variable and its power stay the same. Now we're going to look at the next highest power, which is square. And we have a plus 9x and a plus 9x. So for this problem, we have 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9 is a positive 18x squared. When we add, the variable and the power stay the same. Now we're going to the x to the first term. These two both have x to the first, so they are alike. They can be added. We have negative 6 plus negative 4. Negative 6 plus negative 4 is negative 10. We keep the variable and its power the same. And now we have the constant. Constant is another word, or is a word to say the number without a variable. So this is a constant because it doesn't have a variable. And this is a constant because it doesn't have a variable. And constants are alike and can be added. So we have 5 plus negative 6. 5 plus negative 6 is negative 1. And this is our answer. We don't have to write this 1. It can be written as negative x to the third plus 18x squared minus 10x minus 1. I can leave off this 1 coefficient and it's still correct, or I can keep it. My math lab will take it either way. Both of these are correct, but this is considered a little bit more simplified. Now I can't drop off this 1 because it's a placeholder. Something has to be in that spot. Number 6. We have an algebraic expression added to another algebraic expression, subtracting a third algebraic expression. So to do this, I'm going to rewrite it and change my subtraction. So 5x squared minus 6x minus 7 plus 2x squared minus 3x plus 7. None of that changes because it's addition. The subtraction changes things. I'm subtracting x squared, so we write that subtract x squared. I'm subtracting negative 3x. Subtracting a negative is adding a positive. Subtracting a negative 5x is adding the positive 5. So minus the negative, or minus minus, turns into plus. Minus minus turns into plus, and minus a positive turns into minus. And now we're going to look at all our like terms, and we're going to combine them together. And our directions tell us to write our answer in standard form, so we're just going to work the problem in standard form from highest exponent to lowest. So we have 5x squared plus 2x squared minus x squared. Now in front of that x squared is an understood 1. And it helps sometimes to put the 1 in when we're adding and subtracting. So we have 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. So we have 6x squared. 5 plus 2 minus 1. Now we're going to the x to the first term. We have negative 6 minus 3 plus 3. Negative 6 minus 3 is negative 9. Negative 9 plus 3 is negative 6. And now we're going to go to our constant. Remember, constant is just a word that means the number with no variable. And we're going to add our constants. So negative 7 plus 7. Those add up to 0. Plus 5.